Hey guys, it's me. Welcome back to my channel, and today's video is going to be part 5 of our series called Audio Mastery in CapCut. And if you haven't seen the previous episodes, I highly recommend checking them out because I walk you through how to record your voiceover, how to clean up your audio, how to use sound effects, all the things to take your videos from sounding like this to this. And in this episode, we're gonna cover how to add background music or ambience to your videos. So let's get started. Alright, welcome back to the channel. In this episode, I'm gonna show you how to add background music or ambience to your videos. So let's jump right in. What I've done is I have opened up CapCut here, and I have a sample clip. Let's first look at what it sounds like without any music. Okay, now let's look at what it sounds like with some music added to it. What I've done is I've tapped on the plus icon here under audio and I've selected sounds. Now you can choose from different categories here, or you can scroll through and pick whatever you want. Today we're gonna go with the song Lovely Day. Once you've selected your music, you can drag it onto your timeline. You can see that it is playing from the very beginning till the very end. If your music is longer than your clip, you can always come in here and trim it. You can see I've trimmed the music so that it only plays for the length of my clip. You can also adjust the volume of your music. So let's say I'm going to reduce the volume here to about 20–30%. And you can see that there is a meter here that shows you how much the volume has been reduced. Next, you can fade in your music. You can add a fade in or a fade out to your music. So let's say I want to fade in my music. I'm going to drag this slider to about 1 second. And you can hear how the music fades in. Similarly, you can fade out your music as well. Finally, when you're adding music, make sure that the music complements the visuals. So if you're creating a really high-energy video, you might want to have upbeat music. But if you're creating a really slow, steady, and calm video, you might want to have some soft music. Here are 2 examples. The first one is a vlog, and the second one is a travel video. That's it for this episode. We've covered how to add background music or ambience to your videos. In the next episode, I'm going to show you how to add sound effects to your videos. So make sure to stay tuned for that, and as always, you can download these sound effects from the description below. If you found this tutorial helpful, please leave a like, share this with your friends, and I will see you in the next video.